Hello. I've had a delivery this morning, and I'm going to open it. So why not open it with you? So say hello if you catching me live. Come talk to me. Let's put this keyboard over there because that's plugged in, and get this box open. Now I've been waiting for a lipstick, so it should be in here. It should also be a new toothpaste in here as well. And then I can't remember what else I bought. There you go. Let's have a looky. Oh yes. Oh yes, yes, yes. Oh, I bought some more collagen. So I've got that. The new toothpaste has arrived. A couple of those. I've got an order for that. That's an order. Oh, a BB cream. I got a BB cream because I've not. I've only tried the BB cream the little sample sachet, and I haven't had a tube of it. So I thought, well, I'll get one of those. Zen mascara that comes free at the moment with orders. I needed a new toner, so I'm trying the calendula toner this time. Let's see what it is. And this is the lipstick that I've been waiting for. And I'll tell you for why. Because I got this lip liner, which when I saw it on the website, it didn't shout out at me. It didn't. I thought it was a bit meh. And the name didn't help. It's called Dirty Rose, so that didn't help either. But then I saw it on somebody else, and I really liked it, and I thought, that looks really nice. So I got it, and I absolutely love it. So you see, I've made a bit of a mess of the thing, but the top. But I really, really like it. Now, did I bring a mirror out here? No, I didn't. So I'll have to do it in. I'll have to do it in there. Yeah. Oh, we'll just go with it. Okay. So this hack that I showed the other day. Oh, incidentally, when I was putting my makeup on just now, earlier, I realised that I used the wrong shade foundation earlier this week when I went out, and I did wonder why I was looking a bit pale when I went into the public loo. So that's strange, but nobody said anything. But anyway, so this hack: get your lip liner and put a mirror. Now I haven't got a mirror here, so I'm doing it in Facebook. Clamp the lips down. And do that. And that should have lined your lips. Let me get my phone to see if it's worked. I could get up and get a mirror, I suppose. Camera. So that is a hack to line your lips quickly. Let's see if it worked. Did, but I love this colour. Anyway, let's do that again. Anyway, back to the lipstick. What I wanted to do was to see if we had a lipstick in this shade or as close to it as Damn It. And I think it could be this one called Retro Rose. So let's get this out and have a look. This is the matte liquid lipstick in Retro Rose. I've got a few of these. They are lovely. It's looking good. It's looking good. Let's get it open. That is looking like it could be a goer. So, get my phone up again and try this lipstick. I'm going to be very happy. I like red. I like bright colours. I like hot colours. But when you get one that could be your everyday go-to, that's good. So let's get this photo thing up again. You don't need very much of these. They're best going on thin. Yes, I think I hit the jackpot with this. Gosh, I usually do my makeup and eyes and lips and stuff with a magnifying mirror, so this is really weird. I love it. I love that colour. So, Retro Rose is a pretty good match for Dirty Rose lip liner. Absolutely beautiful. Feels so creamy as well. They are matte liquid lipsticks, so you can put a gloss over the top. And Calendula toner. Let's have a look. Have a look. See what this is like. Calendula face. I've used the Calendula balm. Oh, that's got a seal on it. Let's get that open. And the smell of these Calendula products is really lovely. So let's get that open. Yes, that's good. Yeah, I thought I'd give this one a try. I've been using the Hydra Soothe out of the Refresh range, but I thought let's give, because my role as a pharmacy influencer is to basically share my experience of the products with you. And if you relate to my experience, or if that helps you, then that's good. So that's, yeah, I think you put this on with some cotton wool pad. That smells nice. Very, very nice. What does it say? Calming face toner developed for sensitive and dry skin that removes residues and impurities. It supports to soften skin while gently soothing and refreshing it. Lovely. So I should be giving that a try because I'm completely out of toner. So that's that. Let's have a little play with Beauty Balm. So our Beauty Balm has got a hydrating effect and it's SPF 15 rating as well. And this is in the shade medium to tan. I love the CC cream. Excuse me. So let's pop a little bit of this on. The CC cream I love. This is quite creamy. That is quite good coverage. And it looks really creamy. So it might be a little smidgen light, but that's good coverage for BB cream, definitely. I shall be giving that a try. Feels nice. Very, very smooth. You can't see it's on there apart from the fact that it's a little tad lighter than my skin, but that's not a bad thing, because then you can use contouring and blush and stuff like that to give your face a bit more colour and a bit of a lift and dimension. So that's that, and then I've got a free Zen mascara as well. So there we go. That's that. unboxing. As I say, I got the new toothpaste as well, and I've never liked my teeth. I've always thought they were, well, they are wonky, bit goofy, and but I have to say I've been using the original whitening toothpaste that pharmacy does, and my teeth are definitely whiter, and because they're whiter, they kind of look better, I think. Anyway, I'm happy with it. So I'm looking forward to using that. That's got Mizwalk and date fruit in it. So have a look at see what that is. I'll pop some information about Mizwalk and date fruit. Deep clean, antioxidant effect, fresh breath. That's the Mizwalk. It's antioxidant and antibacterial. Cool mint flavour. So I shall let you know what that tastes like, because I'm very fussy with toothpastes. I shall let you know what that tastes like and how we get on with that. And if you'd like to see some people have done befores and afters, because they've had this in the States for 2 or 3 months now, so we've got some before and after pictures available to us, so we can show you that. But I'm very happy with my new lipstick. This is going to be my everyday go-to now. Very nice indeed. Okay, now I'm starving, so I'm going to go get some lunch. And I'll be back because I've got a sewing project. I want to show you what I bought first that I need to alter. So here we go. So thanks for watching. Watch me in either a little bit later today or tomorrow. I'll do it. So okay, see you soon. Bye.